How can I transfer my old number to a new SIM card?
Hello there. Today we're going to walk you through how you can transfer your old number to a new SIM card. This process is typically called porting your number, and while the specifics may vary slightly between carriers, the general process is quite similar.
What do you need before you start?
To get started, there are a few things you'll need. 1. Your new SIM card. This will be the SIM card you want your old number transferred to. 2. Your current old SIM card. This contains your current phone number that you want to keep. 3. Account details. These are details from your current provider, such as your account number, the account holder's name, and the associated billing address. Important: do not cancel your current service yet. The process of porting your number will automatically do this.
Contacting your new carrier.
Next, you'll need to get in touch with your new carrier. Inform them that you wish to port your old number to your new SIM card. They'll usually ask for some information like your current phone number, your account number with your current provider, the account holder's name, your billing address. They might also need additional details for verification purposes. Make sure you're ready with all the required information.
Waiting for the transfer to complete.
After your new carrier has all the necessary information, they'll start the transfer process. The time it takes to complete the transfer can vary. It might be as quick as a few hours, or it might take up to a few days. During this time, keep your old SIM in your phone so you don't miss any calls or messages.
Activating your new SIM.
Once your new carrier notifies you that the transfer is complete, you can replace your old SIM with the new one. Your new SIM card should now have your old phone number. If you face any issues, contact your new carrier's customer service for assistance. And that's it. We've covered the general steps on how you can transfer your old number to a new SIM card. Remember, the process might slightly differ depending on your specific carrier, but this guide will give you a good idea of what to expect. We hope this has been helpful to you and wish you a smooth transition to your new SIM card.